Hey guys, so I got a quick one for you guys today. It's a little cloudy. We are currently dealing with the smoke from those Canadian fires. So I had this service vehicle, well, not service, I had this vehicle for a while, a couple months now, and we were fortunate enough to sign up with U-Haul and other services for roadside. So I decided to take this vehicle that I had purchased and turn it into my roadside unit. So we're here at the shop today, and we'll be doing that. So this will be quick, but here's the main truck, and my dad's working on cleaning it up so we can get it ready for stickers. So here are the stickers. There's Casey. Un poco rojo. Alright. Ah, está chiquito. They're kind of small actually. Keep RVA rolling. It's gonna go on the side. This is the big one here. Main sticker that I'm really excited about. It's our roadside unit. Awesome. Here's their stickers. All right, so next we're gonna just mock them up, measure up, and then put them on the truck or ambulance or van. Go.
Yeah. Nice.
Hey?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Okay. Oops. Right?
That's it.
All right, so my dad has already marked up all the sides, so we can just put it on the time lapse and get you guys going. there we have it, guys. This is my new unit. It's a 1996 E350. It's a retired ambulance, 120,000 miles. It is definitely not the F550 or the E450 that I wanted, but she's paid for. And really, there's a little bit of backstory to it. It's supposed to be something else that another project that I was trying to do, but I thought I got her on the bargain, and I ended up putting way too much money in. So now she just has to make up for it, make some money. Like I said, we were fortunate enough to grab some contracts with U-Haul and other services that require roadside services. I still gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it, but I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. I'll see you guys in the next one. One last thing, forgot to say, this is the main reason I got her. Those diesel guys will know what this is. That's the sound of reliability. It's a good old 7.3. Anyway, that's it.